Oh my God. Oh my God. It's all gone. The roof is collapsed. The walk-in is 30 feet higher than it was, and yet my favorite bottle of mezcal is still on the shelf. Day Trip was for a month a space for inclusivity. It was a cocktail lounge. It was an event space. It was community meetup. Nobody could have seen what was coming. This is our menu that I just had printed with our cocktails, mocktails, and wines. The worst flood that anyone has seen on this building was 4 feet high. And then 1 month into me signing the lease, the entire building's underwater. Financially, I don't know how to recover from this. All of our money was tied up into it. We took out a huge business loan, personal loan, second mortgage. I had a dream come true, and it lasted 32 days.